Control panel in the Windows operating system. This is the evolution of the Windows control panel from Windows 98 control panel. Here is the Microsoft Windows XP control panel, the Microsoft Windows 7 control panel, and now the Windows 10 control panel. Now, how to open the control panel on Windows 10? So Windows 10 still contains the control panel. Some settings appear only in the control panel, some in the settings app, and some in both. Here's how to find the control panel, which is a little more hidden than it was on Windows 7. On Windows 7, you could click the Start button and click Control Panel. On Windows 8 and 8.1, you could right-click the Start button or press Windows plus X and click Control Panel. Neither of those methods works on the latest versions of Windows. Launching the control panel on Windows 10 is very easy. Click the Start button or press the Windows key, type Control Panel into the search box in the Start menu and press Enter. Windows will search for and open the control panel application. You can also pin it to taskbar. Right-click that control panel's taskbar icon after launching it and select Pin to Taskbar. You can then easily launch it from your taskbar. You can also create a desktop shortcut to the control panel. Open the Start menu, scroll down to the bottom of the apps list in the left pane, and click the Windows System folder. Drag and drop the control panel shortcut to your desktop. You also have other ways to run the control panel. For example, you can press Windows plus R to open a run dialog and then type either Control or Control Panel and press Enter. The names of various applets in the control panel differ slightly depending on the version of Windows installed. In Windows XP, the icons are grouped into categories. Appearance and themes. Applets that control the look of Windows. Contains the display, taskbar and start menu, and the folder options. Network and internet connection. Applets that configure all the connection types. Contains the internet options and network connections. Add or remove programs. An applet to add or remove programs and Windows components safely. Sound, speech, and audio devices. The applets that control all the settings for the sound. It contains the sounds and audio devices, the speech, and portable media devices. Performance and maintenance. It is an applet to find information about your computer or perform maintenance. It contains administrative tools, power options, scheduled tasks, and system. Printers and other hardware. These applets to configure your devices connected to your computer. It contains game controller, keyboard, mouse, phone and modem options, printers and faxes, scanners, and cameras. User accounts. An applets to configure options for users and their email. Contains the email and the user accounts. Date, time, language, and regional options. An applets to change settings based on your location and language. It contains date and time and regional and language options. Accessibility options. A wizard used to configure Windows for vision, hearing, and mobility needs. Security Center. An applet used to configure security settings for internet options, automatic updates, and Windows Firewall.